Hello students, in the last video we discussed acid and bases. Now in this video we'll discuss about salts. Okay, what is a salt? Okay, is an ionic compound formed by neutralization reaction. This we have already done in the last video. What is neutralization reaction? When an acid reacts with base, it forms salt plus water. For example, NaCl, this is nothing but the salt that we use at home. CaCl, these are examples of salt. Okay, when an acid reacts with base, it forms salt plus water. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Chemicals from salts like sodium hydroxide is NaOH, bleaching powder CaOCl2, baking soda is NaHCO3, washing soda is Na2CO3.10H2O, plaster of Paris is CaSO4.half H2O. Okay, so now these topics we'll discuss all in detail one by one. Okay, so first we'll discuss chemicals from common salt like sodium hydroxide. Okay, sodium hydroxide we'll discuss in detail. So sodium hydroxide is NaOH. It is also known as caustic soda. Okay, when electricity pass through an aqueous solution of NaCl, aqueous solution means NaCl with water. When electricity is passed through this, okay, so it forms NaOH, that is caustic soda plus chlorine plus hydrogen. This NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, is formed at cathode, and hydrogen, it is also formed at cathode, and chlorine is formed at anode. This reaction takes place inside an electrolytic cell. Okay, now uses of sodium hydroxide, that is caustic soda. It is used to make soaps and detergent. It is used in paper manufacturing industries. It is used in oil refining, like oil refining, crude oil, like petroleum, diesel. In those refining we use sodium hydroxide. It is used in PVC manufacture, like PVC pipes. Okay, it is used there also. Also used in pesticides for irrigation purpose. Okay, like irrigation farming, we used fertilizers and pesticides. For pesticides also contain NaOH. Okay, now we'll talk about bleaching powder. Okay, so bleaching powder, yeah, bleaching powder is CaOCl2. It is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. Okay, dry slaked lime is nothing but calcium hydroxide is dry slaked lime. It has to be dry and it's slaked lime plus chlorine. When they react, they form bleaching powder, that is CaOCl2 plus water. Okay, so the uses of this is bleaching. Obviously bleaching powder, it is used in cotton and linen industry, like for like clothes, cotton clothes and linen clothes. Okay, it is used there. Bleaching like of wood pulp is used in manufacturing of papers. Okay, in paper factories. Oxidizing agent in chemical industries. Okay, it is used as oxidizing agent in chemical industries. Disinfecting drinking water, it is used to like disinfectant like in drinking water, like it is used to remove bacteria and germs from the water. Like, so this is bleaching powder, the uses. Now we'll talk about baking soda. So yeah, baking soda, the formula is NaHCO3. When NaCl plus water plus CO2 plus ammonia, okay, when they react and then they form ammonium chloride, NH4Cl plus sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. Okay, so NaHCO3 is baking soda, ammonium chloride. Okay, so properties of this is, it is mild, non-corrosive base. Okay, when we heat this during cooking, this baking soda, it is used in cooking. So when we heat this sodium bicarbonate or baking soda, it forms sodium carbonate plus water plus CO2. This is sodium carbonate, this is sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, and we call it baking soda. So uses, it is used an as an ingredient in antacid. Antacid is used like to remove or reduce acidity. Okay, it is used, you can see say in eno also. It is used in fire extinguisher, like extinguisher, we know, like CO2 is also an thing also is there. So CO2 helps in reducing fire. Okay, for making baking powder. Baking powder is baking soda plus tartaric acid. Baking powder is formed by baking soda plus tartaric acid. And uses of baking powder, we know, like in breads and cakes, baking powder is used. And in that we know CO2 is also there. So CO2, what it does, CO2 makes the bread and cake more soft and spongy. Okay, now we'll talk about washing soda. Ah, washing soda. Yeah. So washing soda, the formula is Na2CO3.10H2O. Okay, means 10 water molecules. Okay, Na2CO3.10H2O. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. Okay, so Na2CO3, when we reacted with 10 molecules of water, so they combine, the water molecules, they combine with Na2CO3. Okay, they combine, so it forms Na2CO3.10H2O. So this is washing soda. Okay, this is sodium carbonate plus 10H2O, and it is a basic salt. This is basic salt. Okay, it is used in glass and soap and paper industry. Okay, it is used for cleaning glass. Okay, and in soap and paper industry, manufacture of borax, it is used. Cleaning agent in houses, it is used in cleaning agent, as a cleaning agent in houses, removing hardness of water. Okay, so these are the uses of washing soda. Now we'll talk about plaster of Paris, that is POP. Okay, we'll talk about plaster of Paris. Yeah. So plaster of Paris, the formula is CaSO4 dot half H2O. Okay, when heating gypsum, when we heat gypsum, gypsum is CaSO4.2H2O at around 100 degrees centigrade, or we can say 373 Kelvin. It loses its water molecules and becomes POP, means becomes plaster of Paris. So you can see CaSO4, if it loses its 1 by 2 of water, so it has two molecules. When it loses 1 by 2 of water, that means it forms half, it becomes half, means it becomes half water, so it forms plaster of Paris. Okay, so it is a white powder. On mixing with water, it changes in gypsum. Okay, like CaSO4 dot half H2O plus 1 by 2 of water, this is POP, plaster of Paris, plus 1 by 2 water. When they react, they form gypsum, CaSO4.2H2O. Okay, uses, doctors used to make, like the to support fractured bones. Okay, the plaster of Paris is used for making toys and decoration materials. It is used. Okay, like toys or decoration materials, like the idols they make, like for Ganpati immersion, that is sometimes they use POP. Okay, we know that is harmful, they shouldn't use, but sometimes these people they use POP. Okay, for making idols and all. For making surface smooth, like for making walls smooth, it is used. And POP is also used for like decorative purpose. They decorate the walls, they make different designs on walls by using POP, that is nothing but plaster of Paris. Okay, that will be all for this lecture. Thank you, students.